Hello everyone. My name is Diane, and I'm very happy to see so many participants and familiar faces in our RTsim stream. Today we will summarize the results of our competition, and I will announce the three winners of our competition. And please send some reactions, likes or hearts. And I am confident that your reactions will show. Yeah, okay. And thank you for your activity. Uh, and if you haven't joined to our LinkedIn or our WhatsApp community for young engineers, please scan the QR codes and join to our medias and communities. And some statistic about our competition. In this competition, take part participants from 4 countries, from Bangladesh, from Nigeria, from Ghana, and from Uganda. Yeah, and for this, but the participants for this competition, there are a lot of restrictions and requirements to take part in this competition. You should make screenshot of your repost in LinkedIn or in your WhatsApp statuses. Please do it if you haven't reposted our announcement and our news, our posts about our competition. And I'm ready to announce the winners of our championship. The third place held by Hussein from Chittagong University of Engineering and Technology from Bangladesh. Unfortunately, Hussein can join to our stream, to our and share emotions. So I'm ready to announce the winner, and Jaminul Haq from Hajalal University of Science and Technology from Bangladesh too is the winner of one of the winner of our competition. Jaminul will gain 750 United States dollar and second place in our competition. And let's congratulate Jaminul. And Jaminul, please turn on your video, your camera, and voice, and share your emotions. And I have some question for you.
Okay, all is clear.
Yeah, we can hear you well. Yeah, and my congratulations to you. From our side, from our company, we have seen how many time you have spent in RTsim career. You have joined to our ecosystem, about a month ago, and uh, you have showed in this month your confidence and your your passion and my and you took place a second place in our competition. And how do you feel about it?
I feel very happy and honored. This competition was so challenging. So getting second place means a lot to me. It shows that my hard work and consistent practice, and I am thankful to RTsim for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah, and how did you learn about 2025 RTsim Downstream Odyssey competition from LinkedIn or from reports of other participants?
I knew about it from my senior, Abdullah Nasim, uh, who is participating in this competition September 2024 and got second place. So
Yeah,
actually,
we know Abdullah.
I
Sure.
learned from my units. Yes. So I learned from my seniors actually.
Yeah, and we were happy that our participants and our winners invite friends and colleagues because it means that our ecosystem, our product is really good and help young engineers from all of the world who studying or already started career uh, improve and to gain confidence in future career. And you studied RTsim career software for a month about, and during the first preparatory competition, you completed task in a training mode. Yeah, I have seen it, and you you have attended in all webinars, preparatory webinars, and I have seen your activity in our WhatsApp communities and chats. And my question is, in your opinion, what is most important for the preparation for such competitions?
In my opinion, the most important part of preparation is consistency. So practicing a little every day helped me understand the plant behavior and the DCS response. Uh, one operator, how affect one operator enter the plant. So when I change one operator, it affect enter the plant. So each simulation run showed me what to improve. Step by step practice build my confidence. So I think prepare consistency is very important.
Yeah, I'm agree with you. And tell us a little about yourself, about your background. Where do you study, and what is your major?
My name is Jaminul Haq Yafaz. I studied Shahjalal University of Science and Technology, and I'm studying chemical engineering and polymer science in this university. I'm very passionate about process operations, refinery systems, and simulation-based learning. And I enjoy learning about real industrial operations through practical tools like RTsim.
Yeah, and your major is connected with engineering, with the energy industry, but not downstream or upstream. It is polymers. So how are the same career software and ecosystem help you with your academic tasks or maybe homeworks and assignments? Maybe uh, expand uh, your mind in engineering.
RTsim career helps me a lot because it connects theory with real plant operations. In university, we study distillation, heat transfer, pumps, process control. But in RTsim, I can see how these concepts work together in real time. It improves my understanding of startup, shutdown, troubleshooting, and DCS control, and it also improves my decision making skills. So before going to industry, I learned so many things.
Yeah, you say the main operations, the main scenarios that appears on the real plans. It's startup, shutdown, and solving any emergency situations. And uh, one more time, congratulations from our team. And
Thank you.
what your advice would you give for participants of our future events? Because our team, our RTsim company, will hold a lot of competitions and training and boot camps in next year.
My advice is to practice regularly and stay calm during simulations. Always observe trend, alarms, and process responses. Don't rush. Treat the simulator like a real plant. Learn from every mistake because uh, every mistake makes you a better operator. And most importantly, enjoy the learning journey.
Yeah, Jaminal, thank you so much for your feedback, for your activity, and
Thank you.
and
May I
I
close my
think
video?
yeah, you can close the video, and I'm ready to announce the winner, the first place in our competition, and let's send some reaction to our chat, Google Chat, and in our Google Meet. To if you really want now who was the winner of our competition. Yeah, and I'm okay. I'm ready. The winner of 2025 RTsim Downstream OTS competition is Ibrahim from Dangote Petroleum Refinery and Petrochemical, Lagos, Nigeria. Uh, Ibrahim, please share your emotion. Uh, you can turn on your video. Yeah, we now. I'm very happy to see you. Yeah, Ibrahim, my congratulations. You took the first place in our competition, and you will gain a performance report, uh, including all information about this competition, including information about preparatory webinars and preparatory competition, and 1,000 United States dollar. And how do you feel about this winning? Yeah, Ibrahim, I'm sorry, but we can't hear you. Yeah, Ibrahim, maybe you can rejoin to our Google Meet or do something else. And while we waiting, Ibrahim, uh, we have 92 registered people, young engineers and students uh, who registered for our competition, and about 30 participants have done the startup of chain separation unit correctly, and we will announce all list of participants who will gain certificates, because all of um, participants showed really good results, and you will gain sure the knowledges, the skills in OTC, and special certificates signed by head of RTsim and head of ecosystem. And when you will gain the certificates in PDF, you will gain the quick guide how to share your emotions, how to share your feedback in LinkedIn or in Facebook, maybe in other communities. And don't forget to mention the official RTsim account, uh, maybe my LinkedIn, and remember that sharing the emotion um, activity in professional ecosystem, professional medias like LinkedIn, will help you build your career. And Ibrahim, if you're here, please, yeah, Ibrahim, join it. Ibrahim, please share your video and share your voice, and I have special questions for you. Yeah, Ibrahim, unfortunately, we can't hear you. I see that you're using headphones. If you have microphone in your laptop, it's better to use it. Yeah, and now we're hearing you. Yeah, Ibrahim, maybe you can use other device, because it's really important to us. Have feedback from your side, and for other participants, maybe gain some insights in preparing and gaining the first place. So please solve your technical issues, and for other participants, for our viewers, let's see the chain separation unit, and I will mention the common mistakes. Yeah, and some the first common mistake what I have mentioned in statistics of a lot of participants, uh, it's that you have a lot of practice with other units like a mean treatment unit, uh, and in a mean treatment unit it's not so necessary to feel Coleman for 50%, but in butane separation in a mean treatment unit is enough to feel the in startup of a mean treatment unit is enough to fill the uh, Coleman, our rectification Coleman, in about 11%. But for butane separation units, it's very, very necessary. First of all, fill our Coleman of raw material and do it about for 50%. Many of participants have filled the Coleman only for 10% and start next part started our heat exchanger and pumps. But first of all, you need to in a butane separation unit enough filling of uh, butane of rectification Coleman. Second mistake, that value on the mark on your results in points. It's running of our dynamic equipment pumps. Uh, Let me remind you that uh, you can't is not allowed to run pumps in when the outlet of our pump uh, is opened, because first of all you need to fill pump in raw material, and after you can turn it. If you will run the pump, it will give you 0 points in operating of dynamic equipment. Yeah, and in butane preparation units, it's necessary to cover all parameter, cover all uh, steps, and time in this case it's a second factor. Yeah, and Ibrahim, we can hear you. Please turn on your video, and we are ready to congratulate you.
Okay, thank you very much, Dan. I apologize for the technical issue. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we're here, but that it will be better if you will stand your mobile phone, because when you move it, okay, now it's pretty good. So Ibrahim, you took the first place, and what is your emotion?
I'm very excited to take the first place in the RTsim competition. The competition was technically rewarding and also stimulating. Each moment spent simulating was very exciting. The whole process felt like a real refinery process, and I'm very excited to have achieved this feat.
Yeah, and Ibrahim, how do you hear about this competition? I think you heard that Jaminal uh, have now about the competition from the senior Nasim. And what about you?
Okay, I heard about the competition from the official RTsim official communication channel. Having participated in the EMIN competition in October, so I heard about the championship from the official communication channel. So I decided to participate.
Yeah, and I have seen that you have applied for our previous championship, but you haven't take part in the championship exercise. So, and in this case, I have seen that you learned RTsim career software just in about 1 week, just in 10 days. Uh, and uh, I have said for our participants for in our social medias that 1 week, if you have some background and if you have time, first of all, if you have confidence, uh, you can become the best in RTsim career in 1 week. So, how did you manage your preparing for the competition?
Okay, I think how I was able to navigate through the competition was basically I invested a lot of time in practicing, and this time it came from my love for simulation. I'm a person that loves simulating, that loves software a lot. So when I heard about RTsim, even before the championship, I didn't think twice before I decided to open it so I can learn how the software works. So this achievement, actually, I would say it's basically a result of the time invested. I invested a lot of time to practice, and not just practice. I try to understand the process dynamics. What happens if we increase the pressure? What happens if we reduce the pressure? What happens if we increase the steam input, reduce it, and all? So I try to understand what is going on in the process, and I invested a lot of time to practice. I think this made me uh, to be able to achieve this.
Yeah, and I have mentioned that you have a engineering technical background. You are working in Dangote Petroleum Refinery company, and to inspire other participants, young engineers or students from Nigeria. Uh, Share your background. Where do you studying and uh, and working now?
Okay, I have a background in chemical engineering. I graduated from Ahmadu Bello University. For those in Nigeria, it's a university in northern Nigeria. So I graduated from Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria. After the compulsory youth service in Nigeria, I moved to Lagos, where I joined Dangote Refinery. And my journey at Dangote Refinery, I would say it has helped me a lot because where I work is a place where there is no limit for you to go and learn. You can learn anything. The equipment are there, the world-class equipment are there, but you just have to have the zeal to learn. So being in that environment actually made me like a learner. I am a kind of person that wants to learn from any opportunity I get. So although I've never been in a DCS, but the units I've been to in the refinery, I make sure I know what's going on in each of the units. So I think this has also helped me the environment has also imbibed the learning culture in me. So it's basically having the willingness to learn new things, and putting your mind to it.
Yeah, and we have two main groups of our users. First one is students in industry, in energy industry, from upstream, from downstream, maybe other parts. And the second one is young engineers. And you are a young engineer in petrochemicals company in refinery. And how RTsim career software and ecosystem help you solve maybe challenges or tasks in your job?
Okay, thank you very much. RTsim software has actually helped me understand more, because like I said, I'm a junior engineer. I've never been to the panel. In fact, there are some restrictions to the panel. So, but coming across RTsim career software, I felt it's an opportunity for me to be able to learn what's going on in the panel, to have some understanding of the refinery from the panel, because I've always been in the field. So RTsim career give me like a view of what's going on in the panel, and I can say I think I should be able to operate maybe a small unit now from the panel based on my experience with RTsim. Yeah, I should be able to operate like a very small unit for a start in the refinery. RTsim has actually helped me to understand the technical aspects of process operations, why panel officers do what they do. Because panel officers sometimes they'll call a field operator on radio to go and shut this valve, to go and open it. Now, with RTsim software, I was able to know, okay, this is why a panel officer will call and say, hey, you need to shut that valve. Hey, you need to open this. You need to open this line and all that. So RTsim has actually helped me in my career. It has opened my eye to process operations generally, not just from the field aspect, but generally in the refinery.
Yeah, and Ibrahim, thank you. You have mentioned, you have highlighted a very important important idea about RTsim software, because simulators models in RTsim career, including all necessary equipment for refinery, but it's the simplest than a real downstream refinery. It's maybe studio or other lines, and it's better to use RTsim career simulators and digital twins to explore the processes, to improve the startup, technological process management, and shutdown for team, for operators team on the real plants. And let's get get back for our competition. And you are the winner, the best in this competition. And what your advice and what you would like to give to other students and young engineers of future RTsim competitions, webinars, and other events?
Okay. My advice to participants is, like I said, for me, I think the most important thing that helped me is practice. I practice the scenarios, the each unit we have on the training module. I practiced it severally, and not just practice, I try to understand the reason behind shutting of any valve, opening of any pump, the reason behind choosing a certain range of pressure or temperature. I try to understand everything. So I think it's a holistic process. For future participants, I would advise them to practice a lot and try and understand the process. Also, there is need to be calm while participating. While participating in the championship, you need to be calm. You need to trust your process. You need to trust in yourself, what you're doing. You need to be calm, and as well, you need to be vigilant. You need to be vigilant so you won't have emergency situations, because in real life, emergency situations might be disastrous. So you need to take the competition or the simulation as a real life, as if it is a real life operation, as if you are operating the plant in real life, in real time, because emergency situations in real life might be disastrous. So you have to take everything carefully. You have to be vigilant. You have to know the impact of high pressures, the impact of low pressures. You have to know. So it requires practice, and of course being calm and vigilant.
Yeah, Ibrahim, thank you for your feedback. My congratulations one more time, and your case proof for for other participants that 10 days, 1 week is enough to become the best in competition, but it's very important to practice. Sure. And I wish you all good, and let's keep with our team.
Thank you very much, Diane. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate the time and effort you use in training. In the training, your training also helped a lot. The sessions you have, it's helped a lot to understand what's going on in the units. Thank you very much, and I want to extend my appreciation to the RTsim support team. Also, they've been very helpful. Anytime I'm in their DM on WhatsApp, they always respond swiftly. I want to thank every one of them. Thank you very much.
Yeah, and thank you too from our team. You see that our team send you hearts. And I think we're ready to finish our RTsim stream. We have announced all winners of our competition, and stay tuned. Stay tuned with RTsim company, and very soon we will announce a new RTsim events. We have some training and one more stream, RTsim stream, with our expert in this year, and a lot of confidence, a lot of knowledges in next year. Yeah, and I have seen. Yeah, and the leaderboard, the names will be sent, will be published in our first of all in our WhatsApp community and other medias too. Thank you very much all for your time. Very happy to see familiar faces in our events, and have a good day. For some viewers, I can say have a good evening, and stay tuned with RTsim company. Bye bye.
Asante Jayan, and bye-bye.